What is engineered stone? Pros and cons of quartz countertops. What is engineered stone? Dear friends, engineered stone, often referred to in the countertop industry as quartz, is a composite material made of crushed stone bound together by an adhesive. It has many different applications. In the case of counters, slabs are made from quartz crystals held together with a resin binder. Most quartz is manufactured with a ratio of about 93% crushed stone to 7% resin and pigmentation. Pros of engineered stone. Engineered stone has a similar appearance to natural stone. One difference you will notice is that it is much more uniform in color and pattern. The natural stone contains variations in color, hue, and pattern because of the way the stone have formed on the earth. Because quartz is manufactured, the appearance of each slab ends up with less variation. One benefit to this is that the pieces used throughout your kitchen will match perfectly. A wider range of colors is available during manufacturing through pigmentation. Another benefit to engineered stone is that it is non-porous, unlike its natural stone counterparts. Quartz is stain resistant because there are no pores or small holes in the surface to allow liquid to seep into it and stain the stone. Unlike granite or marble, it also does not require sealing, making it a lower maintenance option for busy homeowners. Because it is non-porous, it is also antifungal and antibacterial, making it a great option for commercial applications such as restaurants and medical offices. Cons of engineered stone. One drawback to engineered stone is that it is not as heat resistant as a natural stone like granite or quartzite. Because it is comprised of a mixture of stone and resin, exposure to high heat, such as a hot pan directly off the stove or out of the oven, may damage the surface of the material or weaken it, leaving it more prone to cracking. A hot pad or trivet should always be used to avoid heat damage. Care should also be taken with small appliances that generate a lot of heat like toasters, microwave ovens, and pressure cookers. For most quartz manufacturers, using engineered stone in outdoor applications will void their warranty, and so it is not recommended for use outdoors. The pigment used to create the colors will fade in the sunlight, and the resin used to bind the material will be yellow with exposure to UV rays. Conclusion. Overall, both natural stone and engineered stone are great options for your kitchen counters. Both are popular, come in various styles, and are long-lasting. While it is hard to go wrong with either choice, it's a good idea to work with a professional to select the perfect countertop material to fit the rest of your kitchen design and within your budget. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Ladd's channel How to Make My House.